Before we begin today's video, I wanted to give you guys some breaking news. It has just come out about a half an hour ago that the judge refuses to delay. And the judge says that he studied the case law prior to the hearing yesterday. And he said that the affidavit was vague based on what has been presented. He does not feel there was a substantial failure in the grand jury indictment. So he denied the request to stay the proceedings. So the show goes on, and we'll go over all of the important dates in this video.
If they're hoping that there's something else there, it's not there.
Hey guys, welcome back to J is for Justice. I wanted to share this clip with you guys to kind of explain yesterday's motions hearing. This clarifies the stay in proceedings. Take a listen to this. Let me know what you guys think.
Started late this morning and wrapped up around 6. Kohberger's team hoped the judge would pause court proceedings because of alleged issues with his grand jury indictment. The defense wasn't happy about how jurors were selected. They were concerned questionnaires given to those jurors didn't have important clerical information. Kohberger's team also argued for more access to DNA evidence. They claimed the state has not turned over all the evidence in the case and that investigators found other DNA at the murder scene they haven't gotten the chance to review. But prosecuting attorney Bill Thompson says they've given the defense all the evidence they have, aside from one lab report they're still waiting on.
Okay, so this clarifies a little bit of the confusion about yesterday's hearing. So Kohberger wanted the stay. He's not getting it. The judge said the trial is continuing forward and unbelievably starting in 6 weeks. Now, Bill Thompson, the prosecutor, did say they're waiting on one lab report that they haven't gotten back. But then they argued, so there is some confusion because we don't know exactly what the prosecutor's saying doesn't exist because we don't know what the defense is specifically asking for.
Everything else along with all the notes is what there is and it's been provided to the defense. And if they're hoping that there's something else there, it's not there.
And this part pretty much cracked me up because you can tell that Thompson is over it. He's over them asking for stuff that he doesn't have or doesn't exist. But the level of his frustration kind of worries me because I feel like this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Kohberger's defense. Not only because it's a death penalty case, but we already see all the motions being filed. If he's already frustrated, I have a feeling he's going to be even more frustrated by the time October rolls around.
The defense also called several witnesses. Most were DNA genealogy experts. As we've previously reported, Kohberger claims he was out driving alone at the time of the killings and that he could not have murdered the 4 students. If he's convicted, Kohberger faces the death penalty. Judge didn't make a decision today about any of the DNA evidence. Again, because of the judge's ruling, Kohberger's trial is scheduled to start on October 2nd. Jury selection is set for the week before. As of right now, the trial will be held in Latah County, but Shira, both sides can ask for the trial to move to a different county if they feel like the jury pool is too small. Remember, they want a fair and impartial jury.
Yeah, and that's something we saw in the Lori Vallow trial as well. It'll be interesting to see what happens.
According to Idaho News 6, the judge did set a September 8th deadline for Kohberger to provide an alibi. The court will also hear several remaining motions September 22nd. Jury selection will begin September 25th, and a pretrial conference will be held September 29th. So we will wait and see what happens. Interesting that the news brought up Lori Vallow's case. So will they pull the jurors from another area? It'll be interesting to see what happens in this. Thanks, you guys, for sticking around, and we will continue to follow this case closely as more things break. Be sure to check out my other videos and playlists for more true crime content. And if that's not enough, you can join our Patreon. Don't have a tinfoil hat? It's okay. We'll make you one. It's that easy. See you guys in the next video.
See you later. Bye.